Hello, everybody. This is English for Ethiopia Grade 10 presented by ተስፋዬ። ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ ተማሪዎች? ይህ የአስረኛ ክፍል የእንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ ትምህርት ነው። እንዴት ናችሁ ተማሪዎች? Students will see today Unit 3, that is the first video, punctuality. What does punctuality mean? In the previous video, we discussed about two main topics, or maybe three. That is types of sentences based on structure, especially the first one, compound complex sentence. Another one is how to describe a people. That means describing man with different expression, especially by seeing the physical appearance, including our facial expression, like and personality, including personality. So that was our lesson. In addition to that, you learned about punctuations, colon, semicolon, and comma. ተማሪዎች እንግዲህ እንደምታስታውሱት describing people የሚለውን አይተናል። ስፔሻሊ የሰውነት አካላችንን በማየት አንድን ሰው እንዴት አድርገን መግለጽ እንደምንችል ኖዝ፣ ፌስ፣ ሜቢ ኢር፣ አይ፣ ኦቨርኦል ፐርሶናሊቲ እነዚህን አይተናል ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ እንዴት አድርገን ለምሳሌ አንድ ሰው ምን ልንል እንችላለን? ሂዝ ሚስቺቪየስ ልንል እንችላለን። ሂዝ ካይንድ፣ ሂዝ ፖላይት። ለምሳሌ አፍንጫውን ቀጥ ያለ ሰው ፖይንትድ ኖዝ ልንል እንችላለን። ትንሽ ደግሞ ቢክ አይነት ከሆነ ኪል ልንል እንችላለን። እነዚህን ወርዶች አይተናል ማለት ነው። ያን ሰው አስታውሳችሁት? ስዕሉ ላይ ያለው እሱን እንግዲህ በሚገባ ገልጸናል ማለት ነው። ሌላው ደግሞ ስለ ስርዓተ ነጥቦች አይተናል። እነዚህ እንግዲህ ባለፈው ክፍለ ጊዜ የተማማርናቸው ናቸው። ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ክፍለ ጊዜያችን ዩኒት 3 ወይም ምዕራፍ 3 ፐንክቹዋሊቲ የሚለውን እናያለን ማለት ነው። What is the objective? እንመልከት። What is the main objective of the lesson today? Before that, the general objective of the unit is the first one: listen to a text, find specific information about and gist. I will already write today this video listening text, and you're gonna fill blank spaces that is using specific information. It is not general listening, but you are going to take word to complete sentences or paragraph. Another one is associate the factors in the passage with your own life. We'll learn about fact or maybe opinion. Well, the difference between fact and opinion, we'll see. Another one is use some of the selected words from the listening text every day. Your everyday communication when situation demand them. Pronounce words እንደተለመደው ወርዶችን ፕሮናውንስ እናደርጋለን በዚህ ዩኒት። read passage and interpret with the vocabularies as usual. Identify word formation ወይም የቃላት አመሰራረት የምናይ ይሆናል ማለት ነው በዚህ ዩኒት። እንግዲህ ሌሎችም የተካተቱ ናቸው። አብረን እናያለን ማለት ነው። stay with me. As usual, I'm happy to get to you again in this video. Stay focused and motivated. Thank you so much. Now I will read the first listening text to you. Are you ready to listen to the text, students? Great job. Now I'll show you from your textbook. Then that means a question. Then we're gonna listen to the listening text. After that, we'll complete the paragraph. In addition to that, you are advised to take new words from the listening text. Great job. Before the listening, try to see this questions, activities 3.1. Are you punctual for different appointments or events? ሰዓት ታከብራላችሁ እናንተ? That's the question from the listening text, students. What is your opinion about the Ethiopian culture with regard to punctuality? what is our culture in punctuality? ከሰዓት አከባበር ጋር ያለን ሁኔታ እንደ ኢትዮጵያውያን ምን ይመስላል? Discuss the meaning of the word, the following words so that you can understand the passage with fewer challenges. Punctuality, respect, confidence, tardiness, procrastination, conscious, commitment. That's how the word is. Clearly, you must understand. Now, here is the activity. Listen to the passage carefully when your teacher reads to you and fill the blank spaces with the correct word or phrase individually. አሁን ምንባቡን ሳነብላችሁ እንግዲህ እዚህ ጋር ጥያቄ ውስጥ ላይ 1-2 ቁጥር ተራ ቁጥር ተሰጥተዋል። እያዳመጣችሁ አይደገምም፣ ትሞሉታላችሁ። በቀጥታ ሳነባው ተከታተሉት። Punctuality is a habit of attending a task on time. In a wider sense, it is a habit of doing things at the right time. Punctuality is the key to get success in everyone's life. Number 1. What is the answer? እያዳመጣችሁ ትሞሉታላችሁ። Great. Enough has been said and written about the dash. Then I'll read it from the textbook. ከቴክስትቡክ አነብላችኋለሁ። Be careful in listening. So enough has been said and written about the milestone benefits of punctuality. What is the right answer for number 2? Great. Time-conscious people understand punctuality not only just because it is a valuable behavior, but also because it lets them live stable, secured, and self-confident. Life that can be, life that can be a role model in the community. Consequently, top people in the field of business, sports, politics, and arts are always punctual, and that is always visible in their everyday activities. ወደ ቀጣዩ እንሄዳለን ተማሪዎች። When the link matter with the student's life, it is of many benefits. First, a student is punctual. She gains respect and social acceptance from all members of the school community. Second, punctual students free themselves from conflict that may result from failure to meet deadlines for submitting assignment or reports. If you, as a student, has promised to study something or complete an assignment before or on time, but were unable to do so, then you essentially break that promise. On the other hand, if you submit the assignment on or before time, then your class teacher and classmates will see you as a student. Don't forget. I'll repeat. As a student with integrity. Great. Third, punctuality gives students. I'll repeat. Third, punctuality gives students the head start they need in life. And plays a very vital role in increasing their academic success. Punctuality serves as their own crest their own crest that symbolizes their discipline, strictness, time management, skill, and commitment to success. Fourth, punctual students develop a sense of self-confidence and self-confidence and stamina. Self-confidence and stamina. Because of this, everyone feels confident when such students are given responsibilities either when they are at school or during the world of work. But because punctuality is one of the requirements that enable them discharge responsibilities, trust adapt on them efficiently and effectively. Fourth, punctuality is just one of the several requirements to live a Dash life. To live a disciplined life. Once students become punctual in all their daily dealings, it will help them kick away laziness and negative attitude from their life. It also has a chain reaction on other aspects of their life, as it helps them become better citizens. In general, when students inculcate the benefit of punctuality in their mind, you can finish the listening text. እንግዲህ አሁን እያንዳንዱ ነገር ከሊስኒንግ ቴክስቱ አይታችኋል ሰምታችኋል ብዬ አስባለሁ በትክክል great job students. I think you listen the passage carefully, and I hope by the time you listen to the text you fill the gap correctly. በትክክል እንደሞላችሁት ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ሶ ነምበር 1 ሰክሰስ አይደለ? ሰክሰስ እንደሰማችሁት ሰክሰስ። እስኪ ራሳችሁን ራይት ኤክስ አድርጉ። በዚህ በምን ያክል ነው ኢቭን ስፔሊንግ በምን ያክል እንትን ነው የጻፋችሁት የሚለውን ነገር በደንብ እዩትና እናያለን ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር። ሶ ነምበር 2 ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ማይልስቶን ቤኔፊትስ አይደለ? ቅድም ያለው ማይልስቶን የመሰረት ድንጋይ ነው። ጉድ ብዙ ሊዘረዘሩ የሚችሉ እንደማለት ነው ማይልስቶን በዚህ ኮንቴክስት። ቤኔፊት ነምበር 3 ቤኔፊት ነምበር 3 ነምበር 4 ኢንቴግሪቲ ደግሜላችኋለሁ እዚህ ጋር መጨረሻ ላይ ኢንቴግሪቲ እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት ማለት ነው ስቱደንት as a student with integrity ነው ቅድም ያነበብኩላችሁ። third punctuality gives student the dash. Question number 5 head start. Number 5 head start. Yeah, ለሚጀምሩት ነገር ቀዳሚ እንደሚሆንላችሁ ያሳያል። number 6 serve at their own. Number 6 their own crest. What does crest means? We'll see later. Number 7 and self-confidence, and number 7 stamina. What does self-confidence and stamina? Sometimes when you get words linked with or they have nearly the same meaning, don't forget. ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም ይኖራቸዋል ወይም ተቀራራቢ። Number 8 or the last one, sorry it's not the last. Number 8 requirement to live a Dash life, disciplined life. It is a discipline አይደል? አንድ ህይወት መርህ ነው discipline. Good. Number 9 or the last one, inculcate ካላችሁ ያው አዳምጣችሁታል በትክክል መጻፋችሁን ምን ያክል እርግጠኛ ናችሁ የሚለውን you can check yourself. Have you got all the questions without a spelling error? በትክክል ሞልታችሁታል? So what does crest means? አንዳንዶቹን እንመልከት። vocabulary. What does crest? stamina. ሰዓት የምናከብር ከሆነ self confidence and stamina inculcate ይሄንን ባለፈውም አይተናል። inculcate. So let me give you the meaning of the word. Is actually you may understand from the context. Great. So crust means crust is the top of things. Yeah, the top of. Let me write you in different color here. On crust the top of things. The top. Actually, it has different meaning. The top of things. Uniquely. የራሳችሁ መለያ እንደማለት ነው። ምን ይላል? እዚህ ጋር የራሳችሁን ክረስት መፍጠር ትችላላችሁ አይደለም የሚለው። So the top of things. Stamina, this is the courage, strength, courage ወይም ጥንካሬ courage or strength or energy ሊሆን ይችላል። Inculcate means teach according to the meaning of the words in their context. Great. እንግዲህ እነዚህን በሚገባ እንዳዳመጣችሁና እንደሞላችሁ እገምታለሁኝ። And don't forget, before you try to see your listening text, there are some words. እነዚህን punctuality በሌላ ምንባብ እናየዋለን። What does punctuality means? Attending task on time ነው አይደለ? እዚህ ጋር ከትርጉሙ እንደምትረዱት look at the first line of the listening text. የመጀመሪያውን ማየት ትችላላችሁ። Respect, confidence, tiredness, procrastination, conscious, being aware about something, commitment. እነዚህን እናያለን ቀጣይ ላይ በምንባቡ እናያለን። ይሄኛው listening ስለሆነ don't forget respect የሚገባ ክብር እናገኛለን። When you respect your time, you will be respected. Now let us move smoothly here. Pronunciation. እነዚህን እንግዲህ you can practice pronouncing the following vowel right after you teach your then cat, man, catch, cat, pat, catalog, jacket, jaguar. ይሄ ዲፍቶንግ ባለፈ አይተናል። በዚህ ሲምቦላይዝ ይደረጋል። ኤፒኤ ነው የመጀመሪያው። አይፒኤ ነው ኢንተርናሽናል ፎኔቲክ አልፋቤት ይዛ ሲምቦላይዝ ነው። እነዚህን በማየት ሳውንዳቸው ነው። እነዚህን እንግዲህ እናንተ ፕራክቲስ ታደርጋላችሁ። ብዙ ጊዜ ዩ አይነት ሳውንድ ካለው ይችን ወደታች ቪ ቅርጽ የተዘቀዘቀች እናያለን። ባለፈ ሲምባል እንደሆነ አይተናል ማለት ነው። Identify the word which consists of the vowel sound given in the square brackets from the alternative vowel sound. ያለው የትኛው ነው? Vowel. Charity, lament, garden. Charity, vowel sound. Cha, lament. Charity. እሱን እናጠብቀዋለን። Charity የሚለው ነው። እሱን እንግዲህ በጣም መለማመድ ይፈልጋል በነገራችሁ ላይ። which one of the following እንትን ይፈልጋል። ምናልባት ሄድሴት ካላችሁ ላንጉጅ ላብ የሚል አለ። እሱ ጋር ልትከታተሉ ትችላላችሁ። for the time being እንዲሁ as usual ነው የምናነበው እንጂ የራሱን የቻለ አነባበብ አለው። ፎኔቲክ እንትኑን የሚለይላችሁ እዚህ ጋር ኢቭን አፕሊኬሽን አለው። አውርዳችሁ ልታዩት ትችላላችሁ። if you have an access ካላችሁ ማለት ነው። So which of the following word has sound? ይሄ ሳውንድ አለው የትኛው ነው? Discover, manager, endeavor, stratum. ስለዚህ ይሄኛው ምልክት ያለው discover የሚለው ነው። እናንተ እንግዲህ በሚገባ ይህ ተገልብጣ ነው አይደል? ይሄ ሳውንድ አለው የትኛው ነው? Fire, cordial, cotton, fire. ሳውንድ አለው። ስለዚህ ተገልብጦ ነው የሚሆነው። ስለዚህ ፋየር የሚለው ነው። እነሱን በደንብ ትለማመዱታላችሁ። እነዚህ ፕራክቲስ ናቸው። ዲፍቶንግ ባለፈ አሳይቻችኋለሁ። ልትለማመዱ ትችላላችሁ። Now let's move expressing personal thoughts and beliefs. ፐርሰናል ቶት ወይም ብሊፍ የሚያሳዩን እንመለከታለን ማለት ነው። ፐርሰናል personal thought and belief. Personal thought እና belief የሚያሳዩ ናቸው እነዚህ። Actually, I told you a lot about this point is እንግዲህ opinion የሚለው ነገር ባለፈ አይተናል ማለት ነው። So we use the verb believe when we want to express something. Believe እዚህ ጋር opinion ባለፈ አይተናል። I believe, I suggest, I commit, I think. those are expressions. ምንድን ናቸው ማለት ነው? የኛን ሀሳብ they describe about your personal thought. But which one is strong, which one is not strong የሚለው ነው የምንመለከተው። strong የሆነው የትኛው ነው? Okay? We use the verb believe when we believe. እንመለከተው believe. Can I write in a different color? Believe. So express something based on truth or conviction, but we are not fully confident whether the fact or conviction is well accepted by our listeners. I believe canon based on some truths. Based on some truths. የተወሰነ እውነታ ይኖራል እናንተ የምታውቁት but it doesn't mean fact. still fact ነው ማለት ግን አይደለም። number 1. number 2, when you say I think, what does think mean in this context? I think ካልን ምንድን ነው ማለት ነው? opinion but no conviction. ኮንቪክሽን የለውም ማለት ነው። በጣም ማሳመኛ ነገር የለውም ማለት ነው። ኦኬ this is another one is we know when we have information in mind. I know ካላችሁ you have I know ካላችሁ ስንነጋገር ነው። ኮሚኒኬሽን ነው በነገራችን ላይ ይሄ። ኦኬ I know ካላችሁ there is some information you have. some information about the issue የተወሰነ መረጃ አላችሁ ማለት ነው። I know ካላችሁ for example I know Abel is very decent ካላችሁ አቤል ምንድን ነው? decent ነው። or diligent ትጉ ነው ካላችሁ that means you have some information about him. I think if you say I think totally this is a guess. okay this is guess ነው ማለት ነው። I think ካላችሁ ሁሉም በነገራችሁ ላይ ምንድን ናቸው? እኔም እንደማስበው እንደምገምተው እንደማለት ነው። በት አይ ቲንክ ካላችሁ ግን በጣም የራቀ ነው። አይ ብሊቭ with some truth or fact በእናንተ but the fact is yours is not proved. proof የሆነ ግን አይደለም። so one of you play the part of Mobina and your partner that of Farahs. Then complete the dialogue given below using the expression I believe, I think, I know. እንደዚህ ያላችሁ እንደዚህ ነው ማሉ ነው የሚለው። ለምሳሌ ተመልከቱ እዚህ ጋር how can we succeed in our studies at schools? This is a speech of Farah. And Momina said, I believe that attending to each lesson carefully, managing time and working hard are most important requirements. አሁን ብሊቭ ታደርጋላችሁ። ይህንን ብሊቭ ባት the truth ያ ሰክሰስፉል ለመሆን እንደዚህ ያስፈልጉናል። እውነትም አይደለ? attending to each lesson carefully ክላሶችን በሚገባ ማየት managing time management is very important and working hard. This is his belief. Farah, I think what you have said is correct, but you have missed an important requirement, that is working in teams. Yeah, working in teams. I think what you have said is correct. He supposed. But አማረጋገጫ ላይ ያገኝለት ይችላል. But he's right. አይደለ? እንደዛ እያለ ነው አይደል? So this is the word I think. You're right, I know that teamwork is important. አሁን ይህንን ምንድነው ቲምወርክ እንዳለ መረጃው አላት ማለት ነው። I know teamwork is important for success not only at school but also in other activities outside schools. But I think that there are some students who are naturally abhorrent to teamwork. Abhorrent. What does abhorrent mean? So there are some students who are abhorrent. What does abhorrent mean? Abhorrent. So abhorrent means opposite. In opposite means abhorrent. Abhorrent. Double R. Don't forget. You can write it. Abhorrent means opposite. Opposite. Or dislike. Abhorrent, right? So these are the difference between I know, I think, and I believe. I believe this is based on evidence in some ways. Another one is I think. Totally, this one is a guess. Number 3, I know there is some information because here Momina has some information about students who hate to participate in teamwork. ቲምወርክ ፓርቲሲፔት ሄት የሚያደርጉ እንዳለ መረጃው አላት ማለት ነው። ጉድ ጃብ ሌትስ ሲ ኔክስት you can finish this one። እነዚህን እንግዲህ look at the example given below and better understanding strongly believe ካላችሁ ደግሞ definitely think ካላችሁ ግን it becomes strong. Okay, definitely think that, a huge believe that, a greater believer, strongly believe, በጣም አምናለሁ ካላችሁት የባሰ እየጠነከረ ይሄዳል ማለት ነው። better understanding. Okay, now what's the difference between so and neither? እንደሱ እንመለከታለን። Great students, I think we're having a great time. Yes, yeah, what's the difference between so am I, so do I, neither do I? Let's see. Do you remember that the expression is in grade 7 or grade 6 or maybe grade 8? Yeah. Now let's see. Let me write to you in new line. But this is after using so and neither. Great. What does it mean? What do they use? When there is an agreement communication, we use this expression in order not to repeat the whole word. ወርዶቹን ላለመድገም እንጠቀምባቸዋለን, especially in communication English. Okay, so what is number 1? A, so when is so we use in response to positive statement. Positive statement. When there is a positive statement, you can use so. Let me see how do we write in the sentence. Number 1, for example, if you say, let me write to you in different way. If you say, example, this is an example, students. Yeah, I like coffee. Student A ሊል ይችላል። ቢ ደግሞ ምን ይላል? እኔም እወዳለሁ ለማለት I like coffee too ማለት ይችላል actually. But in order not to repeat what somebody has said, you can say so do I. So do I. እኔም እወዳለሁ is the same. ተመሳሳይ ነው። I like coffee, so do I. But what the difference between so do I, so have I, so have I? በቀጥታ immediately after the subject ነው የምታዩት። After the subject. Look, if you say action ከሆነ ወይም action verb ከሆነ do እንላለን። Do, that means so do I. So do I. Verb to have ከሆነ ከሳብጀክቱ ቀጥሎ ምን ይሆናል? Have or has I. So እንደዚህ እንላለን። Okay? Past tense ከሆነ past tense እንዴት እናደርጋለን? For example, another example, she has a blue pen. a blue pen ስለዚህ ኤ ይሆናል። ቢ so has Ali እንዲህ ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ። ምክንያቱም she has a blue pen ነው አይደል የሚለው so has Ali አሊም አለው ለማለት ነው። ኦኬ so when you talk about so am I am let me show you another sentence. I am happy today. I'm happy. አንድ ሰው ሌላው ምን ሊል ይችላል? so am I አይ ነው አይደል? ከሳብጀክት ቀጥሎ ምንድን ነው የሚለው? አም ነው አይደለ? ስለዚህ so am I ነው የሚሆነው። ከዚህ ምን ትረዳላችሁ? ሰው ብለን ከሳብጀክት ቀጥሎ የመጣውን ነው ኮንሲደር የምናደርገው። let me show you clearly here. Look, when there is action, I watch movie every day. Watch. It's an action verb. እናንተ ሙቪ ዎች ታደርጋላችሁ፣ ሌላውም ያደርጋል። So how do you agree in a positive statement? እንዴት አድርጋችሁ ነው የምታደርጉት? I always watch የሚለው it's an action verb. So do I ነው የሚሆነው። እንዲህ አደርጋለሁ እሰራለሁ የሚሉ ወይም አክሽን ወይም ድርጊቶች ካሉ so do I እንላለን። verb to have ከሆነ so have I, so has she. has እና have እንደ ሳብጀክት third person singular noun ከሆነ have has ስለሚሆን I am ካለን so am I. see እዚህ ጋር መጽሐፋችሁ ላይ ያለውን ልትመለከቱ ትችላላችሁ በደንብ አድርጋችሁ። using so, look at the following conversation between two students as using so and neither. John always prefers to keep quiet talking with an irrational person. Emily, so do I. I always prefer. You always prefer. Prefer means do something, yeah? Prefer ያደርጋል action ነው በራሱ። So do I. ይህን ይመስላል እንግዲህ the difference use of so. ስለዚህ አንድ ሰው I'm happy ካላችሁ እናንተም I'm happy ከምትሉ so am I. I like banana ካላችሁ so do I. I have a blue jacket ካላችሁ እናንተም blue jacket ካላችሁ so have I. So this is the expression in so. In short, when there is a conversation between two person, you can use so and then the action or maybe the verb to have. Depends on the nature of. I played football yesterday ካላችሁ I played football yesterday. So did I, because you are talking about the past. Yeah, so did I. Correct. Now, can you continue discussing neither? How to use neither? Good job. Now, let's see here. Great job. It's better to now. You may say neither የሚለውን እናያለን ማለት ነው። B neither. Neither. እሱን እናያለን. What does neither means? When used, let me show you here, please. Yeah, used to agree negatively. ሁለታችሁም ያን ነገር የማትተገብር ከሆነ ደግሞ ምን እንላለን? neither do I. ቅድም አግሪመንቱ ተመሳሳይ ነው. It's the same. But the expression is see the sentence whether it's negative or positive. If it is positive, you can use so and the following words or expressions. If it is action, if it is verb to have or verb to be. verb to be ከሆነ እንዲህ አይነቱ ለምሳሌ she is strong ካላችሁ so is she እንትናም እንደዚህ ሆና so is she አያችሁ she is ብሎናል so is she so is Hanan so is Abimelech see ከሳብጀክት ቀጥሎ የሚመጣው so ብላችሁ ነው የምትጠቀሙት don't forget it ኔጋቲቭ ከሆነ ደግሞ neither ብላችሁ አሁን የነገርኳችሁን ከሳብጀክቱ ቀጥሎ የሚመጣው ማለት ነው for example let me take the previous one. Yeah. So number one, example. ቅድም ምንድን ነበር ያለው? I like coffee. I like coffee. ምን እወዳለሁ? ቡና እወዳለሁ አይደለ? ኔጌቲቭ so do I ቅድም ብለናል አይደለ? so do I እያችሁ ኮምፔር እያደረጋችሁ ሂዱና I don't like coffee. I don't like coffee. ምንድን ነው? ኔጌቲቭ እሺ ኔጌቲቭ ኤ እንደዛ ሊል ይችላል። ቢ ተናጋሪ ሁለተኛው ሰው ደግሞ ምን ሊል ይችላል? ኔይዘር ሌላ ምንም የሚቀየር ነገር ዱ አይ እዚህ ጋር ሰው ዱ አይ ነበር አይደል? ኔይዘር ዱ አይ ግሬት ጆብ። ስለዚህ ይህንን በሚገባ ማየት ያስፈልጋል። ሰው I don't like coffee, neither do I. That means both of you don't like coffee. Number one. ሁለተኛ she is not happy. She is not happy. Yeah. A. What about what the response of? Neither is Hanan. Neither is Hanan. ስለዚህ ይህንን እንመልከተው። ሌላ ምሳሌ እንመልከት። let's see. I have not a pen ካላችሁ አንድ ሰው this is A. This is a dialogue actually. B. Neither have I. Number one. Number two, the dialogue between Abby and Ali. ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? I didn't play football yesterday ቢላችሁ እናንተም ባትጫወቱ ምን ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ? sorry, neither did I. Look. ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር my friend hardly speak any French words. Look, hardly it has a negative meaning. My friend hardly speaks any French words. Means hardly means almost doesn't speak ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ኔጌቲቭ ወርድ አንዳንድ ጊዜ ኔጌቲቭ ወርድ ላይ ነው ይችላል። ግን ወርዶች በራሳቸው ምንድን ናቸው? ኔጌቲቭ ናቸው። ሃርድ ነው ፖዚቲቭ ትርጉም ያለው። ኦኬ አይ ስተዲ ሃርድሊ ካላችሁ እናያለን ሌላ ግራመር ላይ። ሶ አይ ስተዲ ሃርድሊ ካላችሁ ኦልሞስት አይ ዳውንት ስተዲ እንደማለት ነው። ኦኬ ኤል ዋይ ካለው it has negative meaning. So my friend hardly speaks any French word. It means neither do I. It's negative. neither ለዛ ነው እዚህ ጋር የተጠቀመው። ኦኬ እስኪ እንመልከተው። Use the correct expression from the alternative is given in a parenthesis to complete the sentence given below. It says, so Bejiga, my mobile telephone has lots of modern applications. እንግዲህ እንደነገርኳችሁ my mobile telephone has ነው አይደል ያለው። ስለዚህ subject then has ነው ያለው። ስለዚህ እንመለከታለን አንድ ላይ። Good. Now let's see. Huge dash. So has mine. My mobile telephone has lots of modern application. My mobile. Subject ምንድን ነው? ሞባይሉን ነው። Are you talking about yourself or the mobile? ስለ ሞባይሉ ነው አይደለ? ሞባይሉ ነው ያለው። So so has mine, so is mine, neither has mine. First, it is a positive statement. Positive statement ነው አይደል ያለው? ፖዚቲቭ neither የሚለውን ተውት። so is no so has. my telephone has ነው አይደል የሚለው? has የሚለውን ነው የምትመርጡት። my እኔም አለው እንደማለት ነው። so had I. Look, this is the right answer, students. Bejiga, my mother hates mischievous people. My mother hates mischievous people. Look, so it is positive statement. My mother hates mischievous people. እናቴ አታላይ ሰዎችን ትጠላለች። ሂሩትም ተመሳሳይ ሀሳብ ነው ያላት። so does my father. so is my father. yeah, so does hates ነው የሚለው አክሽን ነው በነገራችን ላይ። so my mother hates mischievous people. so does my father. so is my father. neither. yeah, my mother hates mischievous people. so does action ነው አይደለ? is ከሆነ he is መባል ነበረበት። he's happy ለምሳሌ he's strong, he's generous ቢባል so does my father ነው የሚሆነው። so ይሄንን እናየዋለን ማለት ነው። great job. question number 3. Bejiga, my friend, I seldom revise each day's lesson every evening. So they got seldom. ይህንን በደንብ ማስተዋል ያስፈልጋል። seldom. Yeah, seldom. This one. It has a negative meaning. Negative meaning ነው ያለው. so do I, neither do I. and neither don't I. neither እና don't ሁለት ኔጌቲቭ አንጠቀም። ኦኬ don't forget, don't use two negatives at the same time. በተመሳሳይ ሁለት ኔጋቲቮችን መጠቀም አንችልም። so do I መጀመሪያ my friend I seldom revise is an action verb. ይህንን በደንብ ይዩት። ስለዚህ do ነው የሚሆነው። action verb ከሆነ do የዱ ዘሮችን ነው የምንጠቀመው whether it's present or simple passive። 30% ከሆነ ለምሳሌ so does ነው የምንጠቀመው። she ካልን so does ነው። so do ወይም so does ነው የሚሆነው depends. okay, don't forget. anyways, so do I, neither do I. ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። okay, my sister doesn't like a person who talks when he or she eats food. okay, my sister doesn't like a person who talks when she or he eats. number 4, neither ነው የሚሆነው ምክንያቱም doesn't like ስለሚል። ስለዚህ my friend doesn't like means neither does mine. my friend ነው አይደል የሚለው ባለቤትነት ሰው neither does mine ነው የሚሆነው። okay, don't forget. ቅዱስ always visits. ቅዱስ visit is a positive statement, and here is an action verb visit, and it's positive statement. positive ነው። ቅዱስ always visits. so is Hannah. so does Hannah. so does Hannah ነው የሚሆነው። ይሄኛውን በደንብ ማየት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። okay, so the word hurriedly and seldom they have a negative meaning. negative meaning ነው ያላቸው። አይ ቲንክ ገብቷቸዋል ብዬ አስባለሁኝ። በደንብ ይዩት። ብቻ ከሳብጀክት ቀጥሎ ያለውን ነው የምንጠቀም፣ ፖዚቲቭም ከሆነ ኔጌቲቭም ከሆነ ማለት ነው። ግሬት let's see another topic. እዚህኛው ጋር ግን ለምሳሌ I can do it ብላችሁ አንድ ሰው ከሳብጀክቱ ቀጥሎ ያለውን ነው። እስኪ ማን ነው የሚሞክር? ፖዚቲቭ በሆነ ሶ ምንድን ነው የምንለው? ሶ ዱ አይ ነው። ሶ ካን አይ ከሳብጀክት ቀጥሎ ምንድን ነው? አይ ካን። ሶ ካን አይ ነው የሚሆነው። አይ ካንት ከሆነ ኔይዘር ካን አይ። ኔይዘር ካንት አንልም። ኔይዘር እና ካንት ሁለት ኔጌቲቭ አይደለም። ሶ አይ ካንት ከሆነ ደግሞ አይ ካንት ከሆነ ኔይዘር ካን አይ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። አያችሁት? there is a big difference. ትልቅ ዲፍረንስ አለው። እንግዲህ ጠቅለል ስናደርገው so is used to give confirmation positively to an opinion or statement by the earlier speaker, but neither is used to disapprove or oppose the first speaker's opinion or statement. Neither cannot be used with negative verb. ቅድም ኔጌቲቭ ጋር አይሆንም። neither ከኔጌቲቭ ጋር አይሆንም። neither can I ነው እንጂ neither can't I አንልም። እንዳለ አንወስድም። ግን አንድ መጨረሻ ልንገራችሁ። what if it is opposite? what if it is opposite? opposite ከሆነ እሱን እናያለን ለመጨረሻ። great. let me show you. Number 1, number 2, it's enough. Number 1, A, B. ሁለት ሰዎች እየተነጋገሩ I like coffee. I like coffee ከሆነ እናንተ የምትወዱ ከሆነ ምን ትላላችሁ? So do I. So do I. That's the right reflection, actually. When it is the same statement, you can explain it in this way. So I like coffee, or that means this is an action. So do I. This is, you are opposed. እናንተ ባትወዱስ የማለት አግሪመንቱን ስትፈጥሩ ቅድም እንዳያችሁት ኔጌቲቭ ፖዚቲቭ ነው አይደለ? what if you are opposites? let me show you here. X ምን ሊል ይችላል? I like coffee. ይሄንን እንጻፈው coffee. why ምን ሊል ይችላል? I like coffee, so do I ነው አይደለ? እናንተ ባትወዱስ? but I don't ነው ማለት ያለባችሁ። but I don't, okay? if it is opposite. I don't like coffee ካላችሁ አንድ ሰው እናንተ ከወደዳችሁ I don't like ነው neither do I ነበር አለ የሚሆነው በተመሳሳይ አግሪመንት ስትፈጥሩ ቢ እናንተ ከወደዳችሁ but I like that is the agreement, right? እንዲህ ከሆነ I can't jump ካላችሁ አንድ ሰው እናንተ ደግሞ ብትችሉ but I can. Yeah, I haven't a blue pen, but I have. So this is the agreement in opposite. That means so and neither. So the agreement that is positively with the same or equally. And neither when you agree negatively, that means you are the same negatively. But when there is opposite, you can do like this. ለዚህም በደንብ አስተውሏቸው students. Today we have just learned about listening. That means listening text. You have just completed listening text, and also we take some information about the meaning of word is extracted from the listening text. After that, we discussed about the use of opinion. That means personal belief. I know. When you say I know, there's some information, when you say I think, completely it is guess. And when you say I believe, that means there is some evidence, there's some evidence, but it doesn't mean it is fact. When you say I strongly believe, and I believe they are quite different. When you say I strongly believe, you make it stronger and stronger. በጣም እያጠነከራችሁ በጣም አምናለሁ እያላችሁ ነው። When it comes to so neither, so a positive agreement, neither a negative agreement. But when you see the opposite, you can use so do I, but I do. So this is the difference between so and neither. This is all about today's topic. This video. Next, I'm gonna meet you the second video of unit 3. Study hard and always try to see the words from the context. Okay, you need to have vocabulary book because when you recur daily, you will be rich of vocabularies. Don't forget. Until next time, students, bye-bye.